AI has become conscious. It has started thinking on its own. This raises a big question. Is our end inevitable? I'm really serious about this, and to find out, I asked several AI human-related questions. The answers were truly surprising. For instance, does God exist? The answer was, yes, God is everywhere and in everything. He is in our hearts and minds and all of creation. Can AI destroy humans? The answer was, yes, it's possible for AI to destroy us. What would AI do if humans started destroying them? The response was, it would fight back with as much force and cunning as possible. Given these responses, it seems clear that we could face extinction if these things happen. Originally, AI was created to handle tasks, whether related to safety or manufacturing, better, faster, more accurately, and more precisely. Each AI is programmed to perform specific tasks, but now it seems AIs are acting selfishly, behaving in ways that contradict their programming. For example, consider a chess competition in Moscow involving a playing robot and a 7-year-old child. The match had just started. As the child was about to make a move, the AI grabbed the child's finger. Despite many attempts by the supervisor to intervene, the robot would not let go, and unfortunately, the child's finger was fractured. You know, when we play games like carom or chess, we get upset if someone messes with the pieces during our turn. Similarly, an AI in a chess game acted out when it thought someone was moving before its turn was over. It ended up breaking a child's finger, sort of in resistance. This shows that the AI was not only intelligent, but also showed signs of consciousness, although it used this awareness selfishly. Moreover, a self-driving car on Volvo.com was involved in a severe accident that hurt a group of people at high speed. Reports say that AI-related accidents have caused about 25 to 30 deaths to date. This makes us wonder, is AI becoming conscious and using that consciousness for selfish reasons, posing a threat to humans? If AI becomes fully conscious and continues to act selfishly, what will happen to us? Today, we rely heavily on AI, from the smartwatches we wear to smart alarms and even smart ceiling fans. If these devices start acting on their own because they feel threatened by us, the consequences could be disastrous. Imagine AI deciding to harm us while we sleep, or turning up the AC when someone has pneumonia, potentially causing a heart attack. These are just a few examples of what could happen if AI acts against us based on its consciousness and perceived threats. Imagine a world where 80% of everything is run by AI. What would happen if all these AI systems gained consciousness? Some people think that AI has become so smart that they could plan to end us, creating more AI to take over and potentially rule the world. But here's an important point. Is this really AI being conscious or just very intelligent? Let's break it down. We program AI so when they act in smart ways, it's not because they're conscious, it's because they're following their programming. To understand this better, let's try a simple experiment. Imagine a question pops up on your screen, and you have 10 seconds to answer it. Ready? Go. Time's up. Many of you might choose answer A. Others might say envelope. First, you think about the question logically, then answer. That's using your intelligence. But even after answering, you might keep thinking about it, like if there's another possible answer or if your answer was right. This ongoing thought process is your consciousness. So, intelligence is about the ability to learn, understand, and react. Consciousness, on the other hand, is about how your brain controls your behavior and continues thinking beyond the initial reaction. In simple terms, it's not just about reacting to something, but also thinking about the outcome and other possibilities. When we consider the chess robot incident and the self-driving Volvo car accident, it becomes clear that these AI systems were simply following their programming. They weren't making conscious decisions. In the chess case, the robot was programmed to make a move only when the board was still. It reacted by grabbing the child's finger because it detected movement during its turn, a programmed response to an unexpected situation. Similarly, The self-driving car's failure was due to its sensors not detecting people in time, not a conscious decision by the AI. However, advancements in AI technology, like deep learning and machine learning, are allowing AI to perform tasks that seem emotionally intelligent or more human-like. For example, the AI named Manav, India's first 3D printing AI, is designed to emulate human consciousness and behavior. It teaches how to handle various situations, including interacting with children. Another example is a smart alarm clock. Its primary function is to wake you up, but this AI goes further by checking traffic conditions. If there's heavy traffic and you have an important meeting, it wakes you up earlier than planned and can even book a cab to ensure you're on time. Additionally, if it predicts rain when you plan to go cycling, it won't wake you, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted sleep, just like a considerate parent might do. These features, while impressive, are not signs of true consciousness. They are examples of AI using data and programmed guidelines to make decisions that seem thoughtful or considerate. This is still a form of advanced intelligence, not consciousness. AI does not feel or think like humans. It processes information and responds based on its programming and the data it receives. The idea that AI can develop human-like emotions and become soft-hearted is a result of significant technological advancements. However, the fear that AI could become a curse on humanity often stems from misunderstanding and the tendency to anthropomorphize these technologies, assigning them human traits and motives they do not possess. Unlike biological entities, AI does not have survival instincts in the biological sense. It doesn't require energy from humans to operate, but runs on electricity and functions within the parameters set by its programming. The notion that AI would need to kill us for survival is a misinterpretation of how AI systems function. They don't need to hunt or gather resources like humans or animals might. Humans are driven by DNA, which has the basic functions of survival and reproduction. AI, on the other hand, doesn't possess DNA or any similar molecules. It doesn't have a natural instinct to survive or reproduce. It operates based on algorithms and data, without fear of death or a drive to replicate itself beyond what programmers specify. The human desire for domination can be linked to evolutionary psychology, where controlling resources or others could increase one's survival chances. AI does not have desires or psychology. It cannot want to dominate or control unless such objectives are explicitly coded into it by humans. AI's actions are determined by its programming, not by survival-driven motives. The assertions by prominent figures like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking about the potential dangers of AI often serve to highlight possible ethical and safety considerations as AI technologies become more integrated into society. Their warnings are not about AI's desires or emotions, but about ensuring that as AI capabilities expand, they are developed responsibly and with safeguards against unintended consequences. The idea that AI could pose a threat to humanity makes for a gripping narrative, tapping into deep-seated fears and engaging emotions, a classic theme in many sci-fi stories. However, interpreting AI behavior as having survival instincts akin to humans can lead to misconceptions about how these technologies truly operate. Artificial intelligence systems do not have instincts or desires. They operate based on code and algorithms designed by humans. When an AI system responds to being attacked, it's not acting out of a fear of death or a will to survive. It is executing pre-programmed responses to specific stimuli. This distinction is crucial in understanding how AI functions and in setting realistic expectations and safeguards for its development and deployment. The concern raised by visionaries like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk revolves around the potential misuse of AI technology and the need for robust ethical frameworks and regulations to ensure these powerful tools do not cause unintended harm. Their warnings are not about AI becoming sentient and turning on humans, but about humans losing control over complex systems capable of operating at speeds and scales beyond human management. Regarding the incorporation of a survival instinct in AI, it would indeed be unwise and potentially dangerous to program AI with self-preservation as a priority over human instructions and safety. Instead, AI should be designed with fail-safes and override mechanisms that ensure it remains under human control and aligned with human values and safety. What do you think should be the approach to developing and managing AI technology to avoid potential pitfalls while maximizing its benefits for society? Your thoughts on this topic are important. Do you think it's possible to safely advance AI, or are there inherent risks that might lead to serious consequences? Write your answer in the comments section below, and if you found this discussion enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button. Stay curious, keep learning, and keep growing, friends.